Welcome to Pretty 99. Today I want to introduce something very interesting. So for those who like to play around with your hair color, you want to be Blackpink, you want to be BTS, whoever you want to be, this is definitely a must for you. So what is this? Basically this is all the fancy color shampoo and fancy color mask. So as you all know, when you want some hair color, very fancy hair color, what do? You need to head to the salon, you need to bleach your hair. You need to bleach your hair until very light, very white. Then after that you color your desired color, pink, green, blue or anything. But this one is actually lessen a lot of your work. So let's say today, of course, what step that you cannot miss? You cannot miss pre-lighten your hair. So whoever who know how to pre-lighten your hair, that's good. If not, you still need to head to the salon to pre-lighten your hair until a desired stage, a desired level of lightened hair. And then after that, you can do this or maintain this yourself. Because I believe a lot of people know that once you color your hair pink, blue, green or whatever ashy color, you need to touch up every 2 weeks. So you have to head to the salon and touch up every 2 weeks. So now you don't have to worry if you have this iris color care. You can refresh your color. You can actually even change your color yourself at home. Now I show you some example how to do it.
Alright, I will choose these two colors to play with. Of course, you can mix any of the color available on this series to achieve your very own desired color. I have candy pink here, which is R01, and I have platinum S02. Okay, let's take a bit of candy pink and a bit of platinum and mix well. So as you can see, the hair already pre-lightened. Now I'm going to apply the mixture on it. Apply evenly on your hair. Rub it over to make sure it covers all around your hair. Okay, wrap it with cling wrap. This is optional, but at least you can move around while waiting for it to process. Let's wait for 15 minutes. Okay, let's rinse off. Just rinse with water will do. Ta-da! This is the result. So this is the combination of these two color masks. So it become pinkish. So why we use candy pink and we mix with some platinum because we want the pink to be slightly lighter. If you want even lighter pink, like probably baby pink or more pastel like, so you will have to mix more with the platinum than the candy pink. So probably like 60% of this, 40% of this. The lighter you want, the more you put the platinum color. Okay, thank you for today. See you soon. Bye.